Impala is doing right now. Like, can't get it to crank like that. Fuel pump kicking on. But now if I give some gas, it'll run long as I got my foot on the gas. Then I let it level down, take my foot off some. Let it go down to about 1,000 RPM. It'll still run. I just turned the check engine light off with my code reader. But as soon as I take my foot off the gas, watch this. Watch. It dies out. Just like that. And then watch this. Feet off the gas, no crank, no start. Feet on the gas. Runs fine. I mean, this mud, it runs fine long as I got my feet on the gas. But the moment I take my feet off the gas pedal, it dies right out. That's it.